my favorite fete.
Welcome to the best fete on earth, AM Bush. First, I gotta say two things. Number one, I promise you the video quality is gonna be better later because the sun is going to come up and it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. And secondly, no words and no video is gonna make this fete justice. You just have to come and experience it yourself. Let's go. Entering this fete was easy breezy, no hustle, everything went smooth. And I was so happy, dancing like a child, because I have been waiting for this fete for 4 years. And I really could not contain myself. My energy was through the roof. But let's start at the beginning. For the majority of you, you already know what this is. AM Bush is widely known, widely spread. Everybody knows it, everybody wants it, not everybody gets a package. But for everybody who is watching, who doesn't know what this is all about, I don't want to leave you clueless. So, AM Bush, presented by Caesar's Army, is happening annually during the Carnival festivities in Trinidad and Tobago. It starts very early, before sunrise. As you can see, everything is still dark, and it finishes after sunrise. This fete is a Juve fete, which is kind of the heart of the whole carnival. It is full of culture, full of history, and full of heritage, and it evolved from the Cambole festivities in the 1800s. And the thing about Juve is that you get dirty as you can, either with mud, oil, chocolate, powder, paint, depending on the Juve that you go to. And everybody has their own way and their own meaning of celebrating Juve. I love it so much because I really feel that undoubtedly ultimate freedom taking over my whole body. I have not seen and I have not felt this celebration of emancipation anywhere, anyway else. I can literally feel my ancestors walking through me, celebrating through me, and this freedom in this moment during Juve is literally unmatched.
I love you. You see that phone right there? You see that phone right there? Let me go and jump in that phone. You're wet. Hold on. You want some instruction now? You want some instruction? You see the phone? When I say auction, everybody run and jump in the phone. Point your finger to the phone.
And that is why I love it so much.
Squeeze on Frankie. Hey, anyway, hey, go on, get it down, cause I had 10. We jumping in the form. Let me jump in the form. Everybody one time step. Jump on, one, go. Everybody jump. Hey.
And Caesar's Army has done a phenomenal job for us to experience this level of freedom.
If you want vacation, put your hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up in the sky right now. If you know you're ducking walk, hands up in the sky right now. If you know you're ducking walk, time the party, time the party. Oh, I just want to jump.
course, a steel pan band was also playing there, and I spent so much time listening to them and dancing and feeling their energy. It was so much fun. So yeah, that was it. Caesar's Army AM Bush 2023. Can't wait to be there next year. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. I am happy to help, and I see you on the road.